identification of IOP will depend on grassroots level leaders. Baby Sana's father demands unconditional release of JAC leaders. And Modi-Abe pledge to deepen robust bilateral ties. Hello and good afternoon. You are watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving. Now the news in details. The Nagaland government on Wednesday held a meeting with the chairman and village chiefs of the wards, villages of Sadar and neighboring villages at Dimapur, Nagaland. The meeting was held at the Dimapur Deputy Commissioners Conference Hall, in which the Chief Minister Nifu Rio said proper implementation of IOP will depend on grassroots level leaders. He asked the grassroots level leaders for proper identification of illegal immigrants in their respective wards. Father of Ningthojam Baby Sana and Tomcho told media persons that he will give fresh statement regarding the suspicious death of her daughter to the concerned magistrate. He will also urge the authority to release all JAC members. On the other hand, JAC convener in charge L. Ganeshwari in a press meet condemned the concerned authority for trying to arrest Tomcho, who is emotionally disturbed over losing his daughter. She said that the JAC will go on protest and until and unless the case is handed over to CBI.
Matam kuire khugi damukta chara hen basu jenda yaudana ana yaudana myam tore chara hen basi doctor da puthok pirami program tu unagi habasu yadre yadraga su yadana moi adum heli toguma sung masi mayam si ai yengduna lebanga muktre maram di kari noraga ai sa gi damukta ni kum hoina tori base habadu khallu badai khamngamdre aduna moi Taraga Teret as Ganesan Amata Yaudana, a 2 matam the Sakana Tadopiu. Mohi and Moitaratraki Mota, Mamaga Iga Equinium Hutsinjarage. Masim Tangdi, Sergomen Ayava Pinabu, Hibasi, Leva Porzamayamgi Mamang Damasung, Sergomenda, Tamjari.
CBI the head, Manipur Lenga Casina, Sinadri Pauba, Amasung, CBI na, Equigi, Baby Sanagi Sugum Laba, case a si Pire Hibagi Taza Bayaba. Adugumba CBI gi order ado madugi si adu Manipur Sarkar sina JAC amasung miyamda hek utri phawbadi aikoi hawgriba JAC gi asugumlaba movement sing ase asidagi hena sathi ba amasung thawai thado oba phawda thadokduna Baby Sana gi langlala jen phamdri phawdi justice phangdri phawdi aikoi JAC na miyam loinana jangsin jagani haibase miyamda thamjari.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today met his Japanese counterpart Shinzo Abe in Russia, Vladivostok. The two leaders pledged to deepen the robust bilateral ties in a number of areas, including economic and defense sectors. Modi is the first Indian Prime Minister to visit to the Russian Far East region. The meeting between PM Modi and Abe comes after they met at the G20 summit in Osaka in Japan and on the sidelines of the G7 summit in Biarritz in France. Education Minister Radheshyam extended his greetings to all the teachers of the state on the occasion of Teachers' Day today. In his message, he mentioned that the day is being observed to commemorate the birth anniversary of former Indian President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He also lauded the teaching community for their contributions and efforts in shaping the career of students. In continuation of opening Mao temporary market sheds in different parts of the valley in the state, the Mao Keitel will be open to the public for the 7th time tomorrow at the footpath of Yai School Hicham Yaichampat. Addressing the media at Yai School Athletic Club ground, Sectional Secretary of the club, Matiram Santosh, said that Mao Imphal Market Coordination Committee and YAC will also organize a feast to express happiness at opening of Mao Market. Santosh expressed hope that the move will deepen the ties between the hills and valley.
Singtam Aniki Nuxinaba, emotional integrity, Puraknaba Honabada, Hogi, Mau Impan Coordination Committee, Amadi School Athletic Club na, Sinjaraga, Mau Impan, Mau Market, and I quit Together Basida, Hogi Mayam, Punamagna, Sozo Pibidana, Ayukan and Topiratana, Hogi Moina Chingaki Potoreba Potoxing, as he Mayam Laibiba, Apaba, Wahi, Watasin Abidana, Hogi Nuxinaba Marima, Sagat Bayana Nabagi, Honabada Mayam Namating Pangbu, Hena, Mayam the Hayari.
Manipur ki border de lei bai sinau sing sigi awala pada ekhoi da pau pibira agadi matung da badu su ekhoi na angam mateng pangduna tampa amadi chingda leiba chilanau singa ekhoi ga achet pamari ama nusina bagi hana leiram bi matakta achet pamari ma sagat pada Manipur miamna mateng pangbiu haibasi organizing committee gi magai degi nolongna ningsingjeri.
Commandant Sumit Sood of 43 Assam Rifles, Moray flagged off a team of NSDC trainees of several schemes under Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana for a statewide educational tour today. It is worth mentioning that the training program is held under the joint aegis of Humanism Foundation and 43 Assam Rifles, Moray. The team will be visiting Loktak Lake, War Memorials, State Museum, Zoological Garden and many more. Now let's take a break. But coming up, the 29th All Manipur Trap Shooting Competition 2019 begins. Stay tuned for more updates.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng mamahong. Yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi ano food item singi mahok kangla bada ngauroi do kana ulai bagi.
Kangla Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cab service oiriba lamjingba cab na ahanba oina miyam gidamakta monsoon offer ama pijari. Pijari bo offer adudi 5% discount on any trip or any package. Akupamorol Gidamak contact Tobio, Lamjingba Cab, Nagamapal Rims Road, Lamjingba Group Building, opposite to Lamjingba Nidhi Limited Imphal. Aikogi phone number 1800-1027-959, Natraga 8794613154.
Welcome back after the break. A two-day-long 29th All Manipur Trap Shooting Competition 2019 has kick-started at Model Village Nongpok Sanjambam, Imphal East today. The opening function was attended by Managing Director of Langai International Takil Mayum Mangi, Secretary of Kuno Development Committee, and Indrajit, and Senior Vice President of Manipur Rifle Association Rachandra. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh inaugurated various infrastructure projects at Kakching district yesterday. The infrastructure projects are SDC Office and Sub-Registrar Office of Kakching, Type 3 Staff Quarters at Palel PHC, Integrated Tourist Destination at Kakching Garden. Speaking as chief guest of the function, Chief Minister said that Manipur is in the path of development. However, certain issues like bans, blockades, strikes, etc. hampers development, and it has adverse impact in tarnishing the image of the state to the outside world. The number of tourists, including foreign tourists, is increasing in the last 2 years. Around 8,000 to 10,000 foreign tourists are visiting the state every year, he added. Minister for Health and Family Welfare L. Jayanta Kumar, Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Shyam, MLA of Kakching Constituency Y. Suchandra, MLA of Wabagai Constituency Fajur Rahim, MLA of Wangjing Tenta Constituency Paunam Brojan, Additional Chief Secretary Dr. Suhel Akhtar, Director Dr. K. Rajo, DC and SP of Kokching chairpersons and members of Kokching Municipal Council and others attended the function. The Department of Education, Government of Manipur has introduced No School Bag Day for students reading in class 1 to 8. An office memorandum regarding the matter has been issued by the State Education Department. As per the office memorandum, students reading in class 1 to 8 in all government and private schools will carry no school bag on every working Saturday. The decision has been taken up in view of the long-term physical and mental effects of carrying heavy school bags every day by the young students reading in classes 1 to 8, causing lots of inconveniences, health problems, and discomfort to them. Iramdam Inat Yokhat Loop, in association with Ekhoigi Club, Oinam Tingal, under the guidance of All Manipur Mukna Association, is organizing the first state-level Mukna Championship on 14 and 15 of September. Another quick break, but coming up, gold medalist Wahengbam Loyumba feted.
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom gi leijariba sana da yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanghanba ngamlagani. lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobi ho adom gi sana adu sengi natraga sengde haibagi chingnaba du kokhanbiyo. Akupa marol gi damak lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirao.
Lamjingba Jewelry, good quality is our priority.
Welcome back. Meira Paibi volunteers of Kumbi Satupur felicitated Wahengbam Loyumba, who won a gold medal in the under-19 categories for boys at the recently concluded 30th National NVS Taekwondo Championship held at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Santipur in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. The function was held at Kumbi Satupur ground. Loyumba is a student of class 12 of JNV Bishnupur, and he is the son of late W. Surchan Meitei of Kumbi Satupur. Today's felicitation function was attended by MLA of Kumbi constituency S. Bira Singh, Chairperson of Municipal Council W. Priyoranjan Singh, former MLA of 29 Kumbi constituency K.H. Mani Mohan Singh, retired assistant teacher of Kumbi High School M. Ibohal Singh, along with councillors and members of Kumbi as main guests. Addressing the event, MLA S. Biran wished good luck for Loyumba in his future endeavours. Loyumba was presented with simple gifts by well-wishers who were present at the function. It is worth mentioning that after his father's death and due to poor financial condition, Loyumba is currently affording his educational expenses through e-rickshaw service.
Manipuri manung dalaiba kumbi kendra manung stagi mahagasi poksebase skumba international taekwondo gi skumba cholakpa matamda amuhana gold medal poraktuna lamdam masigi mamai oiba bharat ki mai oiba haibase masimakak ishorna pinabiu.
6 different schools in Aizawl, Mizoram pledged not to marry people outside the Mizo. The Mizo Zirlai Pol, MZP, Mizoram's apex student body, administered the pledge in different schools on Monday. The pledge is part of the MZP's campaign that aims to protect the Mizo tribal culture and identity. The campaign was launched in 2015 in an attempt to urge children to refrain from marrying a non-Mizo. Since 2015, every September we have been holding this campaign, urging children not to marry a non-Mizo. A large car bomb rocked the Afghan capital today, making fumes to rise from a part of eastern Kabul near a neighborhood housing the US Embassy, the NATO Resolute Support Mission, and other diplomatic missions. As per media reports say, 3 were killed and 30 others were wounded in the blast. Firdos Faramars, a spokesperson for Kabul's police chief, stated that the explosion took place in the city's 9th police district. It appeared to target a checkpoint in the heavily guarded Shash Darag area where the Afghan National Security Authorities have offices. There were no reports of casualties so far. Interior Ministry's spokesperson Nasrat Rahimi said a car bomb had exploded on main road and police were sealing off the area. No one immediately claimed responsibility for the attack. Before we wrap up, the top headlines once again. Rio says proper implementation of IOP will depend on grassroots level leaders. Baby Sana's father demands unconditional release of JAC members. And Modi-Abe pledged to deepen robust bilateral ties. That's all for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.